Hey, one of the fastest way to use your AI is to take your Excel sheets and convert to something like a web tool, right? So here is a tool which is converted from an Excel. I had a tool like this I was using, which is a marketing finance projection, like how depending on the product price, like $5,000, you can enter the profit margins and what are the growth rates, and then enter some of the marketing expense and what is the variable rates of ad and all, and run projections, and it gives. So as you can see here, just I make some changes, uh, maybe like 25% here, and this is a tool which immediately runs. As you see, there are changes is happening. So this tool, if you really see, this is a very handy tool, and this is something takes long time to develop. Earlier you need to know the coding, you need to know the UX, you need to know all these things, but now this can be done in 30 minutes. So this is all happens in just 30 minutes. See, I had an Excel sheet like this. Let me show. This was an Excel sheet I had. So even if you don't have this Excel, you can develop if you just know the what exactly you want. And then all I did was to go to a Gemini. This is, and then I had to give some prompt to the Gemini and work with this, and here is there. It developed the completely. Then I can take this code and put it into my website or something, and it is ready. So this is one of the simple application everyone should be using, especially if you're in a sales, marketing, or operations. How do you use Excel to a web tool if you want to do it? But this is just one of the things. There are lots of other areas where we can do, and if you want to learn more, follow me, and also join my upcoming masterclasses where I cover a lot more of this.